Hello, subscribers and viewers. Welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Keys. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, guys. Hit the notification bell, leave some good comments, and like our videos and share it as well. Today, guys, I would like to show you who is the talker among my 7 cats. This one is Moon. This is our latest. Moon, he's been making sounds a while ago because he wants to go out. Moon, what is it you want a while ago, Moon? Huh? You want to go out? And when he makes sounds, the eldest, named George, will reprimand him. The proven talker of them all. Moon, huh? What happened? You changed your mind? This is George. You won't go out anymore? You just clean yourself? Moon, you talk to Mama Kiss, Moon? Huh? You talk to Mama Kiss? You're ashamed? You are shy in front of the viewers? Moon, you're turning your head. Moon, hiya, Moon. Hi. Kuya George, what happened to Moon a while ago, Kuya? This is Sassy. Huh? Moon wants to go out again, Kuya? Huh? You don't want to talk to me, that's Jade. Yeah, George. Huh? What happened to Moon? Huh? You are irritated by the sound of Moon? Yeah, George. Huh? What happened to Moon, Kuya? Told Kuya is not talking. Jade, why is that? What, Moon? Going out? You're going out, Moon? Oh, there it is. Yeah, Kuya said don't go out, Moon. Oh, don't go out, Moon. Huh? Kuya will be mad. Oh, said. You don't want Moon to go out? Huh? Or you don't want Moon around? What is that? What does that mean, Kuya? Moon. No, do not open the door. George. Not open the door, Kuya. Jade is cleaning himself. And this is Kuya George. And this is Sassy, the second from the eldest, my orange tabby. Tati, oh, scratching. That is doing the scratching. Tati, Jade, hi. Who is talking to me? Who is responding me? Not Moon, not Sassy, not Jade. Kuya only. Huh? You're the only one who is going to respond, Mama Kiss. Yeah? So you are the certified talker. Does that mean that, Kuya? Does that mean that you're the certified talker? Yeah, George. And there's Healthy. Hi, Wet. You're sleeping. Mama Kiss is disturbing you. Wet. He's sleeping. She's sleeping on their, what is my DIY chilling place. That Wet. Huh? You are sleeping with Wet. Huh? Wet. You're not talking to Mama Kiss. They're not talking to me, Kuya. Why is that? Why are they not talking to me, Kuya? Don't like? You don't like, Kuya? How about you? Are you going to talk to Mama Kiss? Healthy? Jade? Healthy? Are you going to talk to Mama Kiss? You're sleepy? You're sleepy, Etty? You're sleepy? You're sleepy, whitey one? You're scratching. Is that itchy over there? That is itchy? Healthy? Healthy. Ay, Tika. Mama Kiss woke you up. This is the other girl who wants to be an alpha cat as well. Kaka. Tika is only responding me with the waggling of her tail. Tika. You talk to Mama Kiss ka. Oh. Kaka. Tika. Huh? You're sleepy? You're sleepy ka? You're sleepy? Tika is sleepy. Tika is sleepy? Tika. Sounds again, Munmon. And Kuya is watching. See? Kuya is watching right before you. See? Munmon. What is that? What do you want? Huh? You just stay for a while. Don't keep on going outside. You are eating the garbage. That's not good for you. You're getting healthier already, compared to the previous one we've met you. Your bone in the back is very visible. And now, you're getting bigger. One more. Kuya? Yeah, Jules. Say bye-bye for now, yeah. Bye-bye for now, subscribers and viewers. Please subscribe our channel to support our needs. Thank you. Till our next video. Bye-bye.